Here in this question, first we can write down a given data, that is a resistance is given, that is our 2 kilo ohm. Then it is connected with a voltage source, that is our 3 volt. Then it is connected with a single voltage, that is V, is our 7 mA. Then it is connected with a resistance of, this is our 5 kilo ohm. Then it is connected with a resistance, that is our 9 kilo ohm, and then this is our output. So first we have to write what will be the R1 voltage, that is equal to, if we can apply the Kirchhoff current law in our node 2, that means in this side. So what will be the voltage?